For the past 7 years, the SAP ALM Summit APAC has been the catalyst for innovation, bringing customers, partners, and experts together to transform the way we implement and operate SAP solutions. This year, as we enter the 8th edition, we take a bold step forward. AI is not just enhancing ALM, it's redefining it. Imagine an ALM platform that predicts risk before they happen, automates complex tasks, and delivers intelligent insights in real time. SAP Cloud ALM is already leveraging AI for intelligent recommendations, predictive analytics, and automation, but we are just getting started. Looking into the roadmap, future iterations of SAP Cloud ALM will feature advanced AI-driven capabilities, deeper integration with SAP solutions, real-time anomaly detection, and personalized user experiences that will drive efficiency like never before. At SAP ALM Summit APAC 2025 from July 22nd to 24th at SAP Labs India Bengaluru, you'll get an exclusive look at these innovations, experience AI-powered ALM in action, and gain insights from SAP's top experts. Join us for a hands-on workshop, strategic deep dives, and the Almathon Challenge. Earn your solution transformation consultant badge and be at the forefront for this transformation. AI is reshaping the future of ALM. We invite you to be a part of this journey and explore how these innovations can drive greater value for your organization. We look forward to seeing you at the SAP ALM Summit APAC 2025.